Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to explain about how to design the activity diagram. Okay, to design the activity diagram, it will be based on our use case that we have. Firstly, before we know to design the activity diagram, uh, we will see or review what we need to design the activity diagram. There is several components that we need on to design the activity diagram. Is the first one, we need what we call as a start point. This is the complete dot, and also we need the end point. This is have a circle around the complete dot. After that, we need the symbol of activity. There is like a square round, and also we need fork. This is like to make a branch of diagram or a branch of activity. And the next is we can make to integrate the activity in one next activity using the join join symbol. And also we need the decision, so we need this symbol. And the last one, we need what we call as swim lane. What is swim lane? Swim lane is like a limitation between the user and the system. Okay, maybe after that we will know what this the example of diagram activity. You can open your file. That's for the file on activity diagram. In there, you can see to the example. There is have the swim lane, what we call as swim lane in here. And for user, this is have customer. This for system, we have ATM machine and also bank in here. And we need all of that symbol on the activity diagram. Actually, if we need make a activity diagram based on our use case, we can find it like this maybe. If we have the use case like this, we can make the activity diagram. This is the user of admin, and this is user. After that, we can design it on the activity diagram. I get the example. This is admin, how to make a login to the system. Okay, I using Visio software. Actually, you can using another tools. This is only an example. The software that I familiar to design the activity diagram using Visio. Okay, and what we need in here is I want to have a swim lane. Okay, in here this is the, I think it's good swim lane design in here. Okay, make design in here. Actually for login, so this is I can this access login. Okay. The function what is will log into the system. This is admin. So the swim lane, it will make a different user and also the system. After that, I add, sorry, okay. Add after this, and this is this is the function I will change with the system. Right. After that, I make it smaller. It's more for us. It's more easy to look to the diagram. Right. This is the swim lane. Actually, some people make the different the system with the database, but some designer can integrate the system, the database on the system. Okay, I integrate the database on the system. It's okay. The first one, I using the start state. Who is start the system is admin, right? After that, I need state in there. This is the same that we have. I can give the control is in here. Yes, I give the what is system? What the system do to this activity? So the activity is like show the login page. What happened after the system show the login page? We can sorry. I make it properly, right? After show the login page, what is the activity? Oh, the admin must be insert the username and password. So the activity is depend on admin. So we will make an activity of the admin. We can bring to here, right? And I have this is insert username and sorry and password. Okay. After that, what happened with the activity? What the next activity? After the admin insert username and password, so the system will be make authentication. So I will make the activity authentication. I will bring here. Right. You can use this here and also here. It's more proper in here. Okay. So I make authentication or authorize. It's the same activity. After the activity on the system authentication, what happened with the system? What happened on database in here? So it will be have we need a decision. So we can make it with need decision, right? The decision because if the authentication is have a result, it will be two condition. This is it will be success or failed. If we have this as failed, so I need this control flow. If the authentication is failed, we must back to the login page. And if there is a success, it will be have the system must have to show the admin landing page. So I get in here. This is maybe admin landing page. I'm sorry with the noise outside. Okay. So after the admin to go to the landing page, we can go. This is the end of the system to make a login. So I get the final state or end state in here, and I put the control system. Sorry. Oh, sorry. So I need anyone, and this is the admin, and we'll make it properly. Okay. And because the condition, we need such condition in here, I will give you this is if there is fail to make authentication in here. So it will be authentication is failed, or username or password is not matched with the database. And in here, this is like success. Succeed. So this is failed. It will be like this. And I move here. This. And this is succeed. I move to here. So this is how to design the activity diagram, that we can design our activity to the diagram. That you must consider to the design activity diagram is you must know there is two kind of activity diagram. Actually, on our class, we need to make a detail of software design document. So you must make it clearly and detailed from the use case diagram. But if you need to show the what is the step on scientific publication or maybe research proposal, you can make the activity diagram is like the whole activity like this. So don't be confused. You must choose one. But for our class, what you must to design is how to make the good software design document in detail. So make it clearly to our document. Okay, see you, and please continue your project. If there is on the track, just you can continue. If there are not on the track, you can make revise. Don't worry, but learn more on to make a software design diagram in software design document perfectly. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.